Cryptocurrency is evolving every single day, and it's on track to become over a $10 trillion industry by 2030. Now, that kind of momentum creates massive potential for early moves. Most people either jump in way too late past the bull run or don't even know where to begin. Now, if you want to take advantage of this shift, you need to know exactly where to start. And you probably clicked on this video because you're looking for a trusted and reputable crypto exchange, not just to buy and hold your coins, but to actually build and scale your portfolio. And there's no better time to start than right now. Markets are heating up, new opportunities are happening every single week, so positioning yourself right now could make a huge difference. The best part is you can get upwards of $200 just by creating an account with Coinbase and placing your first trade. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Coinbase, not just to buy and sell your cryptocurrencies, but to earn passive income, avoid hidden fees, and how to eventually trade like a pro inside this exchange. Now, Coinbase is one of the biggest exchanges in the United States and one of the largest globally, with millions of users around the world. It is one of the most user-friendly exchanges to help you buy, sell, and hold your cryptocurrency with ease, whether you're brand new to the game or have some experience already. Now, once you sign up for a Coinbase account, you'll get brought to a page just like this. Now, this is one of my many crypto accounts, and I actually started this Coinbase account back in 2023 in September with $645. And over the course of the next year and a half, I managed to scale this portfolio and bring it up to a peak of $23,529. Now, since then, the markets have been shaky. I've been able to restructure my portfolio and take some profits out of the market. And currently we're sitting just under $9,000 into the account. And I plan to scale this portfolio between $40,000 to $60,000 within the next leg of the bull run. But with that being said, as a new user, you'll have $0 in the account. So on the bottom right side of your screen, you'll see it say send, receive crypto, deposit, and withdraw cash. Here you're going to want to click on deposit cash, and I already have my checking account linked, but if you don't, you'll simply want to link your checking account through the Plaid integration. It'll ask you for your user ID and password into your bank account, where it'll integrate straight into Coinbase. Now, some other ways to deposit some cash into your account is a wire transfer, a debit account, or simply from your PayPal account. Now, I already have some cash sitting in this account, roughly $600. So if I wanted to buy $500 worth of Bitcoin, I would simply switch what I want to pay with, in this case USD, and I would input $500. Here I can press review order and it would cost me $500 on the dot. Now, clicking on the $500 total, you might notice that you're getting hit with a Coinbase fee. In this case, my $9.20 fee is crossed off, and that's because I'm subscribed to a Coinbase One subscription. Now, what a Coinbase One subscription is it essentially allows you to trade on this platform without incurring any fees at all. And this is incredibly helpful if you make frequent trades. For example, here I have $27,800 remaining to trade with, 0 fees. Now, in this case, it is usually $10,000 a month, but if you don't use it, it'll roll over and accumulate up to $30,000. Now, that's not the only thing you get with the subscription. For example, you'll get some on-chain benefits. Now, these could include free gas on many exchanges, boosted rewards, participating in bi-weekly airdrops, and much more. Now, the next thing that you'll get is exclusive tax benefits. Now, as a Coinbase One user, you'll get a pre-filled form, an $89.49, which will track all your transactions, which is very helpful when you're either doing your taxes or you can simply print it and hand it to your account. Now, the next thing here that you'll see is a coin tracker free base plan that's valued at $60. Now, what's included in this plan is portfolio tracking, TurboTax and H&R integration, tax reports for 2024 and all past years, and up to 100 transactions per year. Now, this is very helpful and you're getting $60 in value right away. Now, there's other things such as 90-day free trial at Masari, which is a trading platform. You'll get 24/7 priority support, Coinbase rebates, and my favorite thing, boosted staking rewards. This is one of the ways you can earn passive income on Coinbase. You can see here through all these coins, you have a slightly higher APY for each one of these coins, which does make a huge difference. For example, Cosmos, otherwise known as Atom, you'll get about a 2% APY increase. And even on USDC, if you just hold cash on the side, you'll get 4.5% every single year. Now, this is something that you don't see at your regular bank or anywhere else really. So this is another great perk for Coinbase One. Now Coinbase One only costs $300 a year, or you can also do a monthly plan which costs $30 every single month. Now this may necessarily not be the best option for you depending on how much trading you're actually doing. If you don't expect to incur more than $300 worth of trading fees, then it might not be worth it. Now, another way you can actually save and avoid paying fees is actually this Coinbase Advance you'll see on the bottom left side of your screen. Once you switch this on, you'll see a complete different user interface meant for advanced traders. Now here you can either trade spot or derivatives, but in this case, if you wanted to buy Bitcoin at market price for $500, you can see here the fee is substantially lower at approximately $5.93, comparing that to $9.20 on the example before this on the Coinbase homepage. Now Coinbase One does operate on slightly different fee tiers. For example, they have maker and taker fees. Now, I personally don't utilize Coinbase Advance, but it'll give you a quick summary of what your fees are, whether it's your spot or future maker and taker. And you can see here the fee tiers. The more you trade on a 30-day time period, the lower your fee continues to get. Now, one of my favorite ways to buy cryptocurrency is going back to this home page, especially as a long-term investor myself, I do utilize this quite a bit. For example, if you were to put $500 USD into Bitcoin, here on the top right, you'll see it say one-time order. When you tap on that, you have two other options, which are limit order or recurring buy. Here, when you tap on recurring buy, you can choose the frequency that Coinbase would automatically buy those cryptocurrencies for you, depending on what you're buying. In this case, since I tapped on Bitcoin, I can either buy it daily, weekly, twice a month, or every single month. In this case, if I wanted to select monthly and tap on review order and place it every single month, it would directly pull from my checking account without me having to ever do anything. Now, one of the other perks that you get as a Coinbase One user is actually weekly drops to earn money. You can see on my screen, I have a chance to opt in for a shot to win 1 Bitcoin or even 1 Sol. So in this case, I will press opt in, and right there, I'm in the running. I've earned 2 entries for a chance to win 1 Bitcoin, which is $93,000 as of right now. And I didn't even have to do anything, and I have a chance to win almost 6 figures. Now, under rewards, you will see more often a Coinbase One specified weekly drop. For example, they might choose 100 winners to win $25,000 each. Now, at this point of the market where we're seeing a lot of uncertainty on where the market will head next, this is the best time to actually utilize some of these features like these boosted staking rewards, where you can park cash and sit on very heavy assets. Even Solana is paying almost a 7% annual percentage rate, or even if you hold cash itself during these times until you see further confirmation, you can earn 4.5%. That way you're still earning some sort of interest, even if it's minimal. At least you're not losing out on money. And just getting a chance to win 1 Bitcoin or even $25,000 just by participating in these weekly opt-ins through Coinbase or Coinbase One, whether you decide to buy that subscription, is another way you can potentially make a lot of money, aside from earning passive income through staking and avoiding these hidden fees. So starting to build your portfolio has never been easier than it is right now. And by getting in early, you're giving yourself more time to learn, more time to grow, and stack up before the next big leg up in the bull run. So if you want to get up to $200 just by trading, use the link down below to sign up for Coinbase account and place your first trade. It's quick, it's easy, and it's a great first step. And if you're serious about leveling up and building out, learning how to trade and getting real-time insights, and overall just surrounding yourself with like-minded people who are actually in the game, check out our private group at Kaizen down below. And make sure you leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the community. I'll see you guys in the next video.